Want to restore a wooden deck with the hassle of sanding and scrubbing for days? Whatever you're a homeowner or trade person, Viccon's Wood Care products offer an easy and effective solution for your deck restoration project. Traditional restoration methods are not an easy task and take lots of time and sweat. Being on your knees for hours and days, sinking nails or screws, and sand endlessly damaging the deck even more by removing too much from the board thickness. I'm Con, the founder of Viccon's products and services. We have designed our products to help homeowners and contractors across the country make the deck restoration process straightforward and save the time and the sweat. Today I'll show you how our products transform a neglected marble deck like this to something like this. We start by applying the wood finish stripper. This innovative and eco-friendly product, which penetrates deep into the wood finishes and loosens them from the wood surface, applying into the corners and the edges, and then use a pump sprayer to cover the rest of the deck evenly. After just 10-15 minutes, we'll see the wood finish starting to break and lift from the wood surface. Once the stripper fully reacts, it's time to wash away the wood finish. We will use a pressure washer with a flow rate of at least 11 to 15 liters per minute. Very important. With this, effectively removes the wood finish without damaging the wood. Look at this transformation. Our marble deck is now free of the wood finish and ready for the next step. Next to the list is our wood Rejuvenator. This product restores the natural color of the wood and balances the pH after the stripping. We will apply directly to the wet surface using a brush and pump spray as before. After about 15 minutes, we'll see the wood's natural tone restored. This also helps to open the wood cells, which will make the new finish penetrate deeper for a longer lasting finish. After rejuvenating the surface, we'll let it dry for 24 to 48 hours, depending on the weather. Then we continue with the sanding. The purpose of sanding is to remove the oxidized wood fibers and make it a perfect smooth surface. The sanding can be done with an orbital sander using 60 to 80 grit sandpaper, or if you have access to one of these nylon brush sanders, even better. The desired results will be achieved much faster. Now, the most exciting part, the finish application. We recommend using the Haymes Wood Care products. We start with 1 coat of Haymes UVX primer, then apply 2 coats of Haymes Express in a natural tone. These finished products will protect your deck from the weather and provide a long-lasting finish. It's our best choice so far when it comes to outdoor timber finishes like decks in Australia. To keep the deck looking great, we suggest cleaning and recoating with 1 coat every 12 to 16 months, depending on how much sun and rain it gets. So restore your deck with Viccon's and Haymes products combination for an easy and ultimate results on your deck. Click the link below to learn more and order your deck restoration products today to enjoy your deck's pristine condition without breaking the bank and getting a professional results at the same time. Here's what our customer says about our products.
Hi everyone, my name is Paul from Newcastle, New South Wales. I've been trying to restore my timber deck for the last 3 years using all the products on the market, and always the results weren't the ones I was expecting or described on the product label. So I quit this idea and I decided to hire a professional company to do this for me. Till one day I saw an ad on Facebook advertising the restoration kit for decks. I was a bit skeptical because of my past failures in trying different products, and I decided to pass it over. A few days later, I saw another ad with the same product and showing step by step how this works. At that stage, I was surprised to see the results of the restoration shown on the video. So, what the hell, I decided to give it a try. And I ordered a sample to begin with and see how it actually worked on my deck. Just while I'm chatting to you, I'm just going to show you what my deck looked like before I worked on it. A few days later, the sample kit arrived and I was so curious I couldn't wait to test it on my deck. I followed all the instructions and I applied the step 1 chemical, the stripper, on my mobile deck. And in just 10 minutes, I started to see how my old water-based finish started to soften. After another 40 minutes, the results were absolutely amazing. And all the finish was soft and the bare wood started to appear. I took my high pressure washer and cleaned and applied the surface, and incredibly, it came off easily, exactly as I'd seen in the video advertised. After washing the wood, it was looking a little bit darker, but I needed to apply the step 2 chemical, the wood rejuvenator. Now, after applying the wood rejuvenator, I saw with my eyes how the natural color of the mobile came back. I was totally glad that I tried this product. Right away, I jumped online and I ordered the bigger kit for my entire deck. And that arrived in just 4 days. Now here's what my deck looked like after the treatment. And I was finally able to restore my 55 square meter mobile deck in just 2 days. Here you can see the before and after side by side. Now my deck looks even better than new, and I am totally satisfied with Viccon's restoration kit for peeling decks. This saved me a lot of time and money in restoring my deck. I highly recommend this product to those who want to restore their timber decks easily and efficiently. Also, much appreciation to Con, one of Viccon's team members, who advised me on what finish to apply on the deck after cleaning. The finish is beautiful.
If you have any questions, our team is here to help you and guide you through the entire process of your deck transformation from A to Z. Thank you for watching and see you next time.